Good afternoon. My name is Tom Brinsonoff, Certified Master Tech out of Reading, PA. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how to install oxygen sensors. Now, there's a few reasons why you'd want to change one. One is increased fuel economy. Oxygen sensor will decrease your gas mileage significantly if they start going bad. Sometimes they will go bad and they won't even set a code, and we'll get into that in a little bit. But there's a few things you want to look at when you're putting one in. You take the old one has out. You want to inspect it for white residue on the outside. That's a good indication that you might have a bad head gasket. But the other one might be if you have, like I said, poor fuel economy. The third one would be if you have a check engine light and your mechanic, or you find out that it's for an O2 sensor. But they're really not that difficult to change. I've been put in. Once you have it, you got to get yourself an oxygen sensor socket, and I'll try to explain to you why. But you get these 4 wires sticking out the top here. In a regular socket, you're just not going to get it over top of them. So they made this socket, and it's real handy. It just slides down right over top, just like this. Allows the wires to stick out the side. So basically, when you get this, you find it, you stick it in a hole, and then you just tighten up by hand and slide your socket down over top it just to snug it up. And I'll show you what I'm talking about here. This one's kind of down underneath here. Then once you get it tightened out, all you got to do is just put your socket on it and then just tighten it right up, and then you're good to go. But that's the easiest way I could tell you to install an oxygen sensor.